Hey guys, James here. In this video, learn how to stake BNB coin using Trust Wallet. We'll go through getting BNB into your Trust Wallet, how to make sure you have the correct version of BNB because there's more than one and one of them won't work. And then we'll choose our staking pool and stake our BNB. Timestamps are in the description if you need them. Firstly then, let's get some BNB into our Trust Wallet. If you have BNB, you might have it on Binance Exchange. So we're going to get into transferring in. If you don't have Binance Exchange and you want to get some BNB, then you may have to go and buy it. So what you'll have to do is actually get to this coin right here, BNB. If this isn't in your home screen, we can come up to the search engine right here and then just type BNB and it will be there for you. If you want it on your home screen, just toggle that on, or you can click in right here and it takes you through to the crypto screen. We'll come back out to the home page. And then again, if I click on this, it takes us through to that exact same page. If you want to go ahead and buy some BNB in the app, click on buy right here and it will take you through to a third-party provider. You can use a credit card to buy BNB and other cryptocurrencies in Trust Wallet. It is going to be way more expensive to do this than buying them on an exchange like Binance. Just click on the amount that you want, click next, and it will take you through to the third-party payment provider and you can pay on a credit card and then it will deposit those cryptos into your account. What I'm going to do now though is transfer BNB in from my Binance account. It's really important that you transfer in this version of the coin, BNB. There are actually two versions of BNB coin. There is this version and then there is the Smart Chain version. Smart Chain is what's known as BEP-20. A BEP-20 token is a smart contracts token, and BEP-20 tokens can be used with various DeFi platforms. If you go down to the browser, you can use PancakeSwap, Venus, and other decentralized apps with your BEP-20 tokens. If you want to stake BNB coin though, you don't want the BEP-20 token, you want the BEP-2 token, known in Trust Wallet as BNB. So what I'm going to do now is transfer in some BNB from my Binance. I'm going to click on BNB coin. This is the one that I want. And now I need the address of this coin so that I can transfer in. You can come down to copy and that will copy the address for you. If you want to be a little bit more sure, come to receive because you want to receive some coins into your Trust Wallet. This will open up your QR code. If you have another phone, you can scan this QR code to send, or you can come down and copy the address as it is down here. Now what we can do is go into our Binance account. So I have that right here and I'm in my wallet and I have an amount of BNB on account. I now want to withdraw this from my Binance and deposit it into my Trust Wallet. So we're going to click on withdraw and then it comes through to the withdraw screen. I've already copied my address, so I'm going to come over and paste that in here. Something that Binance does automatically is recognize the network that we're sending on. This address, as you've seen in my Trust Wallet, is the address of the BEP-2 BNB and not the Smart Chain BNB. So that is recognized automatically within Binance BEP-2. It's really important you don't transfer BEP-20 because you cannot stake BEP-20 tokens in Trust Wallet. We don't need a memo, so we don't need to provide that. How many tokens do you want to transfer? I'm going to click on max. Then I'm going to click on withdraw and it's going to take me through to the next screen. I don't need a memo, so click confirm. I can go through and confirm this order and then I have to put in my two-factor authentication to go through with the withdrawal. That withdrawal was successful. I'm going to have to wait a few minutes for the blockchain to process that and actually deposit it into my Trust Wallet. That was actually way faster than I expected. It took like 5 seconds. Also, another way, if you do somehow have Smart Chain in your Trust Wallet and you want to transfer that into BEP-2 BNB, you can do that as well so that you can go ahead and stake. What you can do is come to Smart Chain, come to more, and then go to swap to Binance Chain. If you press this, it will simply swap all of your Smart Chain BEP-20 tokens into BEP-2 BNB tokens so that you can go ahead and stake them. The price of each token is exactly the same, 1 for 1. They have exactly the same value. They're both BNB. It's just that the Smart Chain BNB is the coins that you use for DeFi and smart contracts, whereas the BEP-2 BNB is actually the Binance Chain BNB that they use for their decentralized exchange. And so that is actually the blockchain that we are staking, not the BEP-20 version. So you can go ahead, click how much that you want to transfer, go ahead and swap, and you may have to pay a very small blockchain fee for that swap to take place, but you will change your Smart Chain into BEP-2 BNB so you can go ahead and stake. Once you have the amount of BNB on your account that you want to stake, we can go over to more right here. You can see that there is a staking option because we're in the right coin. Go to stake details and it will show you all of the details for you. So the minimum amount, if you do want to stake, is 1 BNB. And as for right now, the APR is around 16.87%. APR does not include compounding, so it will be a little bit below the APY. So just to keep that in mind, but as you can see, the lock time is 7 days. This means that if you do go ahead and stake your coins and you want to withdraw them from staking, it is going to be a 7-day lag. So if you want to withdraw your coins, you can go ahead and go and press unstake, but it will take 7 days before they're back into your account. So again, something to keep in mind. What we can do now is just go ahead and click stake right here, or you can go to more and then just go directly to stake right here, and again, unstake down here. So let's click on stake and you'll see the options now. You can tell the system how many coins that you want to stake and also choose your validator. A validator will validate blocks in the blockchain. Binance Chain isn't the most decentralized of platforms at the moment anyway. So if you click on these, you will see a few different providers and you can actually compare them by the APR that they provide. So Trust Wallet Staking provides 13.56 right now, but you can see a couple of other validators are actually providing a little bit above this amount. It's really up to you which validator you choose. You may want to go for the highest amount, so stake to me is 16.8, or you may want to choose a validator that you have a little bit more trust in terms of the brand, so Trust Wallet may be for you. This would obviously be down to your personal choice. I'm happy with Trust Wallet Staking right here for my BNB, and I'm just going to click max 6.86, and then I'm just going to change this a little bit, put 6.8 in there, so I have some BNB coin left in my wallet if I want to pay any fees in the future. You can then come down to next right here. It's going to confirm all of the details of your staking before it goes through with the transaction with your wallet. So press send. What you'll see instantly is that I now am staking. You can see that the stake has come up there. So minus 6.8 BNB has been gone over to staking. As I refresh, you can see that changes to delegation minus 6.8. We also get this information right here that the amount available of BNB is 0.06 BNB and that the amount staked is 6.8 BNB, and it's going to show up as 6.8 BNB in your Trust Wallet because of course you still own these coins, you're just staking them. Another great option is to actually change your validator mid staking. You can come to more again, have a look at the stake details, and it will be in here for you. It will tell you all of the current staking details that you actually have, but you can come to redelegate. Click on this one and you can change your delegator so you can see how much you're staking. I'm currently staking with Trust Wallet Staking, but I can switch to a different validator. Come and choose them all here. You can choose the one with the best rate or the one that you want to use or trust the most. So really good that you can actually swap that around when you are delegating overall, and then that will be done for you. You don't have to unstake and then restake again. Like I said, if you want to unstake these coins at any point, just go to the unstake option down here and it will take 7 days for those coins to be unstaked and back in your wallet. If you haven't got an account with Binance Exchange yet, I'll leave that link in the description, alongside some other very helpful videos and resources about Trust Wallet and Binance. Do subscribe for daily helpful crypto content, and I'll see you in the next one.